Welcome to Little Explorer's Animal Adventures. Today we'll meet some amazing animals in India. Get ready to explore the wild with Banu, the Indian bison, Pihu the purple heron, and Arjun the Indian rock python. Let's dive into their fascinating world.
Hi there, what kind of animal are you?
Hello, I'm Banu, an Indian bison, also called a gaur. We're the largest wild cattle in the world.
Where do Indian bison live?
We thrive in forests and grasslands across India.
What do you eat?
We love munching on grasses, leaves, and fruits, a plant lover's dream diet.
How do you protect yourself from predators?
Our size and powerful horns are our best defense.
What's your favorite time of day?
I enjoy early mornings when it's cool and the forest is waking up.
What's a fun fact about Indian bison?
We can weigh as much as a small car, talk about heavyweight champions.
What challenges do you face?
Deforestation and poaching are major threats to us.
What can people do to help?
Protecting forests and supporting anti-poaching efforts can make a big difference.
Do you ever run for fun?
Sometimes, but mostly when there's a juicy patch of grass waiting for me.
Have you ever scared a predator?
Oh yes, one look at my horns and they think twice.
What's the funniest thing you've ever done in the forest?
I once scared a monkey off a branch by sneezing. He thought it was an earthquake.
Do you ever compete with other animals for food?
Not really, but sometimes those cheeky deer try to steal my favorite grass patch.
Have you ever gotten stuck in the mud?
Oh yes, my friends had to help push me out. They joked I'd turned into a statue.
Thanks, Banu. Stay strong in the wild.
Thanks. Come visit the forest.
Hello there. Who are you?
Hi, I'm Pihu, a purple heron. We're elegant wading birds with a knack for fishing.
Where do purple herons live?
We live in wetlands, marshes, and along riverbanks in India.
What do you eat?
Fish, frogs, and insects are my favorite snacks.
How do you catch your food?
I stand very still and strike lightning fast when my prey comes close.
What's your favorite thing about wetlands?
I love the abundance of food and the serene water to wade through.
What's a fun fact about purple herons?
Our long necks and sharp beaks make us expert hunters.
What challenges do you face?
Pollution and wetland destruction are big problems for us.
What can people do to help?
Protecting wetlands and keeping water bodies clean is vital.
Do you ever compete with other herons?
Sometimes, but I've got the fastest reflexes.
What's the biggest fish you've ever caught?
A fish so big I almost fell into the water pulling it out.
What's the most awkward moment you've had while fishing?
I once caught a slippery fish that flipped right back into the water. So embarrassing.
Do you ever get your feathers wet by mistake?
Only when I lose my balance, but I pretend it's part of my fishing technique.
Have you ever scared another heron for fun?
Sometimes I sneak up and squawk. It's hilarious to see them jump.
Thanks, Pihu. Keep fishing.
Thanks. Visit the wetlands soon.
Hi there. What kind of animal are you?
Hello, I'm Arjun, an Indian rock python. We're non-venomous snakes and expert climbers.
Where do rock pythons live?
We inhabit forests, rocky hills, and wetlands across India.
What do you eat?
Small mammals, birds, and even deer are on my menu.
How do you catch your prey?
I use my strong body to constrict them after a stealthy ambush.
What's your favorite place to relax?
I love sunbathing on warm rocks after a good meal.
What's a surprising fact about rock pythons?
We can go weeks without eating after a big meal.
What challenges do you face?
Habitat loss and human fear are major challenges.
What can people do to help?
Learning about snakes and respecting our role in the ecosystem can help.
Do you ever scare other animals just for fun?
Maybe a little, but only when they get too close.
What's the largest prey you've ever caught?
A full-grown deer. It was a feast.
What's the most surprising thing you've ever slithered over?
A sleeping porcupine. I learned to tread lightly that day.
Do you ever play tricks on other animals?
Sometimes I coil up and pretend to be a rock. You should see their faces.
What's your secret to staying so calm?
Deep breaths and plenty of sunbathing. It's a snake's version of yoga.
Thanks, Arjun. Stay cool on the rocks.
Thanks. Come back anytime.
Wow, wasn't that amazing? From Banu, the strong Indian bison, to Pihu, the elegant purple heron, and Arjun, the stealthy rock python, today's journey has shown us the incredible diversity and beauty of India's wildlife. Each animal has its own unique adaptations and plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Banu demonstrated the importance of strength and resilience in the wild, while Pihu reminded us how patience and precision can lead to success. And who could forget Arjun's calm and calculated approach to life? These creatures not only amaze us with their behaviors, but also teach us valuable lessons about survival, teamwork, and coexistence. This adventure also highlights the pressing need to protect these magnificent animals and their habitats. Whether it's supporting forest conservation, reducing water pollution, or spreading awareness about the threats they face, every effort counts. By working together, we can ensure a safe and thriving environment for all wildlife. We'd love to hear from you. Which animal left the biggest impression on you? Was it Banu's horned power, Pihu's graceful fishing, or Arjun's sneaky ambush skills? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your fellow adventurers. Together, let's inspire more people to cherish and protect our natural world. Until next time, little explorers, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep discovering the wonders of the wild.